So as Avanade X, I think the best way that we can create loyal customers is by understanding what each of their unique needs are, right? What are the business goals and challenges that they're up against? And then us bringing forward really a customized solution and a point of view that's entirely tailored to their need, their business, and where they stand. But also we're able to leverage the wealth of knowledge and information and experience we have from working within their broader industry, as well as across other industries that are really leading when it comes to experience. We can really leverage the best of hands-on, in-person partnership with an understanding of what they need, while bringing forward a wealth of knowledge and experience and insight from a broader set of categories and client interactions where we've seen proven success.